Let's make our kids famous during lockdown. An initiative from Sheena's Fun School. Let's break the chain. Stay home, stay safe. During this lockdown, it would be more interesting if we could put some light to the physics around us. Here is Irfan Muhammad explaining to us his project of free energy generation from circular magnets.
എല്ലാവരും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ബട്ടൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യണം. പ്ലീസ് പ്രസ് ദ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ബട്ടൺ.
My name is Irfan Mohammed. This is a project based on physics and its name is free energy generation using circular magnets. These are magnets, circular magnets. Magnets transform energy from one form to another. That magnets will attract magnetic materials such as iron or steel. In this, steel nail is used. Steel nail is sticked on the seal that is kept between two circular magnets. The circular magnets either attracts or repels the steel nails. So it attracts and say mechanical force is generated which rotates the seal. That is, it will the seal is rotating. The seal is fixed on a motor axle. That means a DC motor. When the CD start rotating, a small current is passed which makes this fan and